I want a big boom, Paige. Can you do a big boom?
Yeah, I do boom.
Getting that out of the way.
Well, I'm going to have to stop it. She's not doing anything. Miss.
She's coming. She's got to clean up her area. Paige, time for a big boom.
Big boom. Big boom. Big boom. Big boom. Okay, big boom. Boom! Is that Uncle Christian giving you a big boom?
1, 2, boom!
No.